Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the infraorder Simiiformes, also known as the simians. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. It is the only The dog or domestic dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. The dog is derived from an ancient, extinct wolf. Elephantidae is a family of large, herbivorous proboscidean mammals collectively called elephants and mammoths. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears distinctive fatty deposits known as humps on its back.
Characteristics typical of deer include long, powerful legs, a diminutive tail and long ears.
Cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hooved, herbivores. They are a prominent modern member of the subfamily. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. They are classified as caniforms, or dog-like carnivorans. The American bison is a species of bison native to North America. Sometimes colloquially referred to as buffalo, it is one of two.
The cheetah is the world's fastest land animal and Africa's most endangered big cat. Crocodiles are a living link with the dinosaur-like reptiles of prehistoric times and are the nearest living relatives of the bird.
A dolphin is an aquatic mammal within the infraorder Cetacea. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae, the same family as the horse. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl in the family Onotidae. The Accipitridae is one of the three families within the order Accipitriformes, and is a family of small to large birds with strongly Flamingos or flamingos A/FLMIOZ/ are a type of wading bird in the family Phainopteridae.
Ichthyios tega, prehistoric predecessor to the modern frog, lived 370 million years ago during the Devonian.
The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. It is the tallest living terrestrial animal and the largest ruminant on Earth. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species, with attributes of wild species such as the gray and the Ceylon jungle fowl that are originally from southeastern Asia. The hippopotamus, also called the hippo, Common hippopotamus, or river hippopotamus, is a large semi-aquatic. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic family Equidae and is one of two extant subspecies of Equus ferus. Macropodidae is a family of marsupials that includes kangaroos, wallabies, tree kangaroos, wallaroos, potamelons, quokkas. The meerkat or suricate is a small mongoose found in southern Africa. It is characterized by a broad head, large eyes, a pointed snout, long legs. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear, is a bear species endemic to China. It is characterized by its bold black and white coat and rotund body. Parrots, also known as psittacines, are birds of the roughly 398 species in 92 genera comprising the order Psittaciformes. The Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl, and blue peafowl, is a peafowl species native to the Indian subcontinent. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. They live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere, only one species. The pig, often called swine, hog, or domestic pig when distinguishing from other members of the genus Sus, is an omnivorous, domesticated. Rattus is a genus of muroid rodents, all typically called rats. However, the term rat can also be applied. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member of any of the 5 extant species